We all love a fresh, vibrant salad. It's a staple in many diets, offering a burst of flavors and a rainbow of colors that not only please the eye, but also promise a nutritious meal. It's packed with colorful vegetables, each bringing its own unique set of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. From the crunch of carrots to the juiciness of tomatoes, every bite is a step towards better health. But here's a thought. What if I told you that your choice of salad dressing, particularly olive oil, could be hindering your ability to absorb all those amazing nutrients? Yes, the dressing you choose can make a significant difference. It might sound surprising, but the type of fat you use in your salad dressing plays a crucial role in how well your body absorbs certain vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K need fat to be properly absorbed by your body. While olive oil boasts numerous health benefits, its molecular structure might not be the optimal choice for maximizing nutrient absorption from your salads. Studies have shown that different types of fats can affect the bioavailability of these essential nutrients. For instance, oils like avocado oil, flaxseed oil, and walnut oil have been found to enhance the absorption of these vitamins more effectively than olive oil. These oils contain different types of fatty acids that interact with the nutrients in your salad in unique ways. So, next time you're preparing your salad, consider experimenting with different types of oils. Not only will you be adding variety to your meals, but you might also be boosting the nutritional value of your salad. Remember, the key to a healthy diet is not just about the ingredients you choose, but also how you prepare and combine them. By making informed choices about your salad dressing, you can ensure that you're getting the most out of your nutritious meal. So, embrace the salad dressing dilemma and turn it into an opportunity to explore new flavors and enhance your health. Your body will thank you for it. Olive oil has long been hailed as a health hero, and rightfully so. It's rich in antioxidants and heart-healthy monounsaturated fats. These fats are known to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. Its versatility makes it a staple in kitchens worldwide, used for everything from cooking to drizzling over bread. But when it comes to salads, particularly those rich in fat-soluble vitamins, olive oil might not be the best supporting actor. Here's the thing. Some vitamins, known as fat-soluble vitamins, require fat to be properly absorbed by the body. These vitamins, including A, D, E, and K, are found in various vegetables commonly found in salads. While olive oil does contain some fat, its molecular structure and composition might not be as effective in facilitating the absorption of these fat-soluble vitamins compared to other healthy fats. Let's delve a little deeper into why these fat-soluble vitamins are so important. Vitamin A is crucial for vision, immune function, and cell growth. Vitamin D helps our bodies absorb calcium for strong bones. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant, protecting our cells from damage. And vitamin K is essential for blood clotting and wound healing. To reap the full benefits of these vitamins from our salads, we need to ensure they are properly absorbed. Section 5. When olive oil falls short. Olive oil, while a healthy fat, is primarily composed of monounsaturated fats. These fats are known for their ability to lower bad cholesterol levels and reduce the risk of heart disease. They are a staple in the Mediterranean diet, which is often praised for its health benefits. While beneficial for heart health, these fats might not be as efficient as other types of fats, such as saturated fats, in aiding the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins. Fat-soluble vitamins, including vitamins A, D, E, and K, require dietary fats for proper absorption and utilization in the body. This doesn't mean you should completely eliminate olive oil from your diet. It remains a valuable source of healthy fats and antioxidants, which can help fight inflammation and protect your cells from damage. It remains a valuable source of healthy fats. However, it's important to diversify your sources of dietary fats to ensure you're getting a balanced intake of different types of fats. However, considering alternatives when it comes to salad dressings can significantly enhance the nutritional value of your meals. For instance, using dressings made from a combination of oils, such as flaxseed oil, walnut oil, or even avocado oil, can provide a broader spectrum of nutrients. These oils contain different types of fats and additional health benefits that can complement the monounsaturated fats found in olive oil. By incorporating a variety of oils into your diet, you can ensure that you're not only getting the heart-healthy benefits of olive oil, but also the unique advantages of other oils. This approach can help you achieve a more balanced and nutrient-rich diet, supporting overall health and well-being. So, next time you're preparing a salad or cooking a meal, think about mixing it up with different oils. Your body will thank you for the diverse range of nutrients and the enhanced absorption of essential vitamins. Remember, a balanced diet is key to maintaining good health, and incorporating a variety of healthy fats is a step in the right direction. Section 6. Avocado oil. A creamy champion. One excellent alternative to olive oil in salads is avocado oil. This oil, derived from the flesh of ripe avocados, is not only a flavorful addition to your meals, but also a powerhouse of nutrients. Its vibrant green hue and smooth consistency make it a visually appealing choice for any dish. Like olive oil, avocado oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are known to support heart health by reducing bad cholesterol levels. These healthy fats are essential for maintaining good cardiovascular function and can help in managing weight by keeping you full longer. But it also contains a higher proportion of saturated fats, which, contrary to popular belief, are not all bad. These fats play a crucial role in hormone production and cellular health. The balance of fats in avocado oil makes it a unique and beneficial addition to your diet. These fats have been shown to enhance the absorption of fat-soluble vitamins, such as vitamins A, D, E, and K. This means that when you drizzle avocado oil over your salad, you're not just adding flavor, but also boosting the nutritional value of your meal. Avocado oil's creamy texture and mild flavor make it a delicious and nutritious addition to any salad. Its subtle taste allows the natural flavors of your ingredients to shine through, while its rich texture adds a satisfying mouthfeel. Its higher smoke point also makes it suitable for grilling or roasting vegetables. Unlike other oils that can break down and produce harmful compounds at high temperatures, avocado oil remains stable, ensuring your food is both tasty and safe. Adding another layer of versatility to your culinary repertoire, avocado oil can be used in a variety of dishes, from sautéing and stir-frying to baking, and even as a base for homemade dressings and marinades, its uses are virtually endless. Embrace avocado oil in your kitchen and discover a world of delicious possibilities. Section 7. Embrace the power of flaxseed oil. Another powerhouse when it comes to nutrient absorption is flaxseed oil. This oil is packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which offer a wide range of health benefits, including reducing inflammation and supporting brain health. While flaxseed oil has a slightly nutty flavor, it blends well with other ingredients in salad dressings. Its high omega-3 content, combined with its ability to enhance fat-soluble vitamin absorption, makes it a top contender for your next salad dressing. Section 8. Salad dressing reimagined, your options. The good news is that you don't have to limit yourself to just avocado oil or flaxseed oil. Several other healthy fats can elevate your salad from simple to super nutritious. Consider incorporating walnut oil, macadamia nut oil, or even small amounts of coconut oil into your salad dressings. These oils not only add unique flavors, but also contribute to better absorption of those vital fat-soluble vitamins. Section 9. Simple swaps for enhanced nutrition. Making these changes doesn't require a complete overhaul of your dietary habits. Start by swapping out olive oil for avocado oil or flaxseed oil in your favorite salad dressing recipe. You can also experiment with different combinations of oils and vinegars to create your own signature dressings. Remember, small changes can make a big difference in the long run. Section 10. Unlock the full potential of your salad. By understanding the role of fats in nutrient absorption and incorporating alternative oils into your salad dressings, you can unlock the full nutritional potential of your salads. Remember, healthy eating is not about deprivation. It's about making informed choices that nourish your body and enhance your well-being. So, Go ahead and enjoy that delicious and nutritious salad, knowing that you're maximizing every health benefit it has to offer.